tools you'll need for this repair: a Phillips screwdriver, a chisel, heat gun, a spudger. Now let's get started. Carefully peel off the back plate. Remove the battery. Using a heat gun, heat up the corners to loosen the adhesive. Use the iSesamo chisel to separate the frame from the screen. Be careful of the important flexes inside. Carefully lift the screen up and disconnect the LCD and digitizer flex from the motherboard. Unscrew the mid-frame using the Phillips screwdriver. Remove the mid plate and motherboard. Disconnect the surface antennas. Disconnect the stylus flex. Using the same spudger, disconnect the top speaker. Carefully lift the motherboard off the mid-frame. Be sure to disconnect the charging port as well. Remove the charging port by peeling off the menu buttons on the mid. Lastly, inspect your work, and there you have it, a job well done.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos. You can also find our whole repair video gallery on our website at www.BuySellRepairs.com. Need parts? No problem. Just visit our website and take advantage of our great deals. Also visit our website to sell your device and get an instant quote today.